She is the head of Listing and SME at BSE Limited, is a distinguished capital market professional with over 3 decades of expertise in investing banking, renowned for her leadership due to her diligent skills and result-oriented approach. She oversees the listing operation at BSE, including the SME platform, and manages corporate bond and money market instrument in both primary as well as the secondary market. With deep knowledge of SEBI regulation and strong relationship with regulators and market intermediaries, she plays a pivotal role in policy making and regulatory framework development. A chartered accountant with a postgraduate diploma in security law, she is known for her ability to guide clients through capital market transition with precision and insight. Her work continues to strengthen BSE leaderships in empowering business across sector. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, inviting the beautiful personality, a very talented personality, the one and only one, that is, yes, here we have this beautiful lady, talented lady, Miss Radha Kirthivasan. Let's welcome her on stage with a huge round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. It's a great pleasure to be here as a guest of honor at this India 5000 MSME Award ceremony. I'm so happy to see so many people coming in from different parts of the country. And I would like to congratulate all the award winners and the nominees for the outstanding achievements. I'm thrilled to see the impact that your businesses is having on the economy and the society. As you are all aware, MSMEs play in driving the economy, creating jobs, promoting innovation. They are the backbone of any economy, and it's essential that we continue to support them in their path of growth. To provide a perspective, there are around 6.3 crores registered MSMEs, which contribute 30% to the GDP, 45% to the exports, and generate an employment to the tune of 18 crore people. It's the MSME sector that contributes to the value chain and in the large industries. No big companies can exist without you MSMEs, and you need to give yourself a big round of applause for being here. You know, there are many challenges that has been faced which hindered the growth. And most common is availability of finance and lack of professionalism in this. There are many government initiatives that has been conducted, given away, but even though then also many of MSMEs have to rely on informal sources of fundings due to lack of collateral or credit history. Towards this, BSE has started this SME platform in 2012 to support the small and medium enterprises to come forward and raise capital from the equity capital markets. This platform enables the listing of SMEs from an unorganized sector which are scattered throughout India to come into a regulated and organized platform. It provides a simplified and less stringent regulatory framework compared to the main board platform. This is a specific platform, and there are many eligibility criteria, fewer eligibility criteria, and there are many regulatory things that which post-listing also. It is not so very complex. My colleagues here, Anand Chari, will take you to the entire process of listing, and you will be very comfortable with that, I suppose. These listed entities will step into the threshold of the BSE SME platform and foray into the world of finance, and thereby can grow and raise capital not only from the first listing, but also throughout their way a growth platform. They can have a rights issue, they can do a preferential allotment, and there are many varieties to bring on capital. These companies, in due course of time, presently it is 3 years, wherein after that they need to be on the SME platform for 3 years, and then they migrate into the main board. as per the existing rules and regulations. Listing creates a value to the stakeholders, all the stakeholders. As of now, everybody is maybe in partnership concern, LLP, or a limited, private limited company, or a limited company. You hold equity in your company, but even your equity will get valued only after you get listed. You have to dilute a minimum of 25%, and the 75% is with you only. You get a value for your 75% only when you dilute 25% from your side. There are presently 537 companies that have been listed on the BSE SME exchange, which has raised over 7,900 crores. The next figure that I'll give you is that of the market capitalization of these 537 companies. These people have raised, I said, 7,900 crores, and the market capitalization today is over 2 lakh crores. So these companies have grown 25 times over a period of, I would say, 10, 12 years. The average size of the issue, earlier when it was started in 2012, it was maybe 2 crores, 3 crores. This has gone up to an average size of around 40 crores. And the largest issue on the BSE SME exchange is of 189 crores. There are, out of these 537 companies, 191 companies have already migrated onto the main board. That means now they're on a platform which many of you might have not even thought that we can go to that bigger platforms. SMEs listing leads to a more inclusive growth, impact, regulatory, and transparent industry environment. If I can say something about BSE, BSE is a 150-year-old institution. It is the largest institution wherein the most listed companies are there. We have over 5,000 companies, both from the main board and the SME. There are more than 5,000 companies that have been listed on this exchange. So when I see the number of SME companies that are listed on the exchange as compared to the registered MSMEs, it is not even 0.1%. So there is a huge potential to be tapped, and we would like the eligible companies to please come forward and access this platform for the growth and the visibility. You may be feeling that listing on an exchange is a daunting process, but let me personally assure you, we are here to handhold you through the entire process, and you can get in touch with us, any of our colleagues who are here, to make you understand how can you take the next step, and what is the entire process that you have to go through, and post-listing also, what are the complexities, and everything. We are here to help you out. And please feel free to reach us out, and we will guide you throughout. That's my personal assurance. With this, I would like to conclude. Thank you so much.
It's time to thank Radha ma'am, and thank you so much for being with us. And it's time to say thank you to her. So I request Ketan sir to please come forward. It's time to honor her with the bouquet and the memento. Ma'am, please accept this as a token of memento from our end. Thank you so much.